To perform first setup on Roborock S8 Plus, first of all, you will need to download an app on your Android smartphone or iPhone. So to do that, open a Google Play Store or App Store and look for the Roborock app. It's this app that we want to install. After the app is installed, you will need to make sure that you have Roborock account. So just create or log into your Roborock account, and after that we'll be able to see something like that. Here select add a device. After that we can try to power on our robot, so click and hold this power button until you hear a jingle. After it's powered on, as you just heard, you'll be able to add your robot to the app using your camera to scan QR code, or you can use manual option. In manual option, you will need to pick a robot from the list, where if you want to use a QR code, you can open a lid right here, and then there's a QR code on this side right there, so simply scan it using the camera on your phone. Now open the robot cover and see the Wi-Fi indicator light, which again is located right here. As you can see, it's blinking. So we need to click on the two buttons, this button and home button, together at the same time. Hold them.
Resetowanie Wi-Fi.
You will hear resetting Wi-Fi, and after that we can confirm that we heard a prompt and move to the next step. Then you will need to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Make sure that it's 2.4G and not 5G network, otherwise your robot won't work. So in this case, I'm going to enter the password off screen. And now we need to click on connect to the device Wi-Fi. Click on connect. Okay, so we need to reset device network for some reason. If you had this problem, then you need to retry it. So in this case, I'm gonna do it all over again, and probably you will see this process entirely skipped. But let's try to do it again using the proper Wi-Fi. Okay, so after second try, I've succeeded. We can enter device. You simply need to retry this process. Sometimes it happens. Hopefully you will get it on the first try. But after that, after we enter the device, it will load, and when the loading is finished, our setup will also be finished. We'll be able to use our robot. Make sure to agree to anything that will pop up. Then there's quick start and introduction to your robot. You can read through it if you want to know more about it, but after that it's all done. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.